Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Lonix Sweden Vlog. So right now guys, nasa Ayala ako dahil sinaman ko yung aking pamangkin na tinitry ng modeling. So tara na, samahan niyo ako at titingnan natin ang kanilang practice.
Hands down. Face front. Okay, hindi na po smile ha. Okay, ano yung donut? Pero ano, sign of security. Hindi siya sign na confident. I don't want that. We need that. Okay? Everybody, feet flat on the floor. I want to check your posture this time. Okay? Stomach in. Chest out. Ass out. And then show hands at your side and shoulder parallel to the floor. Level up. Avoid unnecessary movement. Scratching, cartoon. Wala na. Stay still. No extra movement. Okay? Now, your chin should be 90 degrees. How? This is 90 degrees. Everybody do the L side. Put it under your chin and your upper chest. Okay? Are you following? Chanel, do this. You follow. Okay? When you have tama, pull it down, maintaining your chin up. Muna siya level. Maglapaw mo, level din na siya. Then, this is overconfident. I am over there. Sa confident lang ka. Okay? So, ganito. Right foot forward. Naka-hands din on your waist. Make sure that your elbow in front. Wala boyfriend model. Wala naman po rin tanawon. Wala naman tanawon. Okay, ganito. Alright? How do you want the position? Ha? 3 o'clock. Okay, balik. Kung sa may opposite sa 3 sa clock. 3, kanya, ikas. Very good. Right. 9 o'clock position. How to do it? Everybody, place your right foot forward, pointing 12. Your left foot pointing 9. Murag na 13 position. Extend 6 inches away. Palayo. Nyagi mong way, shift na po. Gana sa right. Nandri ha? Mong way. Now i-check. Lift your left foot. Butang. So meaning, imong weight na agri. Right? So, ang imong kamot, change pod. Place your right hand to your right waist. Hindi kay babae man mo, ibutang sa front ang waist. Mas more confident. Diba? Front pad. Okay? Alright. How do you want the position? 9 o'clock position. Okay. Give me, okay, balik. Give me 3 o'clock position. Give me 9 o'clock position. Ako ba nung kita? Stage. Okay, technique is...
So guys, nandyan yung aking pamangkin, yung sa left side, sa pangalawa na naka-brown ng upper. Zoom natin. So ayan yan guys, ang aking pamangkin. The second one sa little girl dyan. So yan yun siya. So training na nila ngayon sa modeling dahil yung pamangkin ko mahilig sa paso-paso portion.
Chanel and Andra. Pwede na music? Okay, now, when you walk, you have to swing your hips and you have to swing your arms. Okay, throw your hips, swing your arms. Avoid the hook, avoid the knee, level. You walk, swing your hips. And swing your arms. Okay? Ayaw mo kung lahat ng anak. body language. Right foot forward, right and hip. Ang imong arm is left. Piling left knee mo, left ako ng hip, right ako ng arm. So on, so forth, so on, so forth, so on, so forth, so on. And establish 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 5 good. Okay? Alright, relax. Napapanic ha? May kayo siya ng sikuan. May nagtulong last year. Okay, ready? Come closer.